Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? I'm fine and happy to see you, to be here with you. Today, I'm making a video for you to make an art and craft about my town. It's actually a game. So what we need today is two prints of the documents. See, two, well, actually one and two. This is in order to practice the vocabulary we've been working on. Bank, church, cinema, petrol station, hospital, library, post office, restaurant, school, and supermarket. So, with these two papers, scissors, glue, and a photo of you, your mommy, your daddy, your brother, your sisters. Today I'll be using these photos, me and my son James. Okay, so we will create this game. It's called Where Are You? See? So the way we make it is we take this paper, this print, and we have to cut the windows. We have to make 10 windows. How do we do the windows? With the scissors. So what I've done here is I folded a little bit in order to make a hole. Click. And here, for example, click. And then when I open it, I finish. Can you see? I finish the windows. The windows need to be shaped like a U. See? Like this. And then this one, we finish it. So far I have cut bank, and now I'm cutting library. Super important, we just cut 3 sides. This is a square, so we cut 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we cut them all, and when we cut them all, what we do in the back is we use glue. And we glue the top, the bottom, the middle, and the small lines in the center. Do not put glue here, not glue here. So then, when we put the glue, we put them on top, and we have the windows. And that's when, once it's all finished, it's like this. See, we got bank, and we see the bank inside church, and we see the church inside cinema, and we see the movie theater inside petrol station. Oops, I guess I didn't glue it perfectly, but it's okay. Hospital, library, post office, restaurant, school, and supermarket. Okay, so what we will do now is we close the windows and we play Where Are You? So I need some help. I need the help of my boy James. James, can you come and help me? Come on. So I will hide our photos in here. Come on, James, come here and sit down and help me. Do you want to say hello to my boys and girls? Sit down, sweetie. Say hello. This is James. So, okay, James, don't look. Don't look. Close your eyes. No cheating. So I put the photos. Don't tell him, okay? This is supposed to be a secret. Here and here. Okay. So now I ask him, James, you can open. Well, normally I have it on the floor so we can both see it. See, can you see, boys and girls? It's a little difficult. It's okay. Okay, James, so where are you? And you say, I am in the hospital. No, James is not in the hospital. Where are you, James? Don't look, just practice. I am in the bank. That's it? No, not in the bank. Where are you, James? Say, I am in the restaurant. No, not in the restaurant. Okay, so where are you? I am in the library. Somebody's in the library, but it's not James. Mommy's in the library. So now we hide Mommy again. Because it's not. Okay, so now James, you. What are you? I am in the. But you have to speak. I am in the. What are you? School. Say, I am in the school.
I am in the school.
Let's check. Yes! Okay, so now it's my turn. Okay? James, hide them from me. Now it's my turn. I'm not looking. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Finish.
Nope.
Can I look?
Nope.
Are you hurrying up?
Yes.
I'm very excited to play the Where Are You game. Made with all my love for my children. Ready, James? I'm so excited.
Yes.
Okay, so now you tell me, James, where are you?
Where are you?
Okay, I am in the petrol station.
Nope.
No. I am in the cinema.
Nope.
James is in the cinema. Nice. But that's not Mommy. Okay. I am in the restaurant. I am in the restaurant. Yes, I am in the restaurant. Excellent. Thank you, James. Give me 5. Thank you for your help. And I hope you enjoyed and you like it. And if you have any doubts or if you want to show me how it turned out, please send me an email. Okay, bye-bye. Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye.